In our last class, Ms. Shafak Shakil have shared a script in group for uh, count data and sample info, but unfortunately, this downloaded data set again incorrect and not working properly. Today I will try. Just follow me and do same practice. All participants, please open our studio. Clean all screens with brush button. Today topic is again download count matrix and sample info or metadata. Again, open ChatGPT and write a message. I want to import count data and metadata from GEO into R for human sample and send this message to ChatGPT. To import count data and metadata from GEO gene expression omniverse into R from human sample, follow this technique. This complete step-by-step workflow using the GEOquery and bio-based packages. This method works well for most bulk RNA-seq dataset that have processed data. So here is the step-by-step guide, and sample name is again one, but there is an extra sample with previous one. No, I need same all script in, I need all code in single script. So I need all in one script. Perfect. Here is a complete all-in-one R script that install and load required packages, download count data and metadata from GEO, and so on. So here is the complete script. Copy, open R, paste here. And first we need to do library, GeoQuery, biobase, but it's showing me error. There is no package called GeoQuery biobase. So first I need to install these packages. You can also do practice. I have Sanskrit in Zoom chat and WhatsApp group. Please all participants run the script. Okay, now I have done installation, library, biobase, it's showing me update all or some. I need to press A. I think I need to do again. Next, next. Sorry. No, let's check. But it again showing me data is expression data. Only variable names are given. But in metadata, complete data is available. So by using this technique, I am unable to get expression data successfully. No, we need to provide error or any other more suggestion to ChatGPT. For example, I want to Send this message to ChatGPT again. Open ChatGPT. Write a message. It's showing me expression matrix and sample info. Would you like to me recommend a specific human geo dataset that contain raw count data or help you start downstream analysis like DSEQ to RPCA? Write a message. Sorry, import a file which you get after running this script. RNA-seq. Here is the expression data and give a message after running above script. I get this file. Please check this file. Why no any count values found, and send message. After reading this file, ChatGPT will suggest us ChatGPT have write Python script. You can directly you can also download directly from with the help of ChatGPT. So it's showing you empty data frame. Thanks for sharing the file. After checking your data, here is the issue problem. The file contain column headers for samples, but no actual expression values. The dataset is completely empty. Zero row, all columns have zero non-null values. Why this happened? No, first is problem. What is problem? No, why this problem happened? The dataset does not include raw or normalized expression values in the standard GEO matrix download via get GEO function. So this dataset is not available in GEO dataset. That means no count matrix is stored directly in the main GSE matrix. Likely the expression data is stored as a supplementary file on the GEO website. In our yesterday class, we already have checked a supplementary data have this file. If you check like this, here is the supplementary data, series supplementary data, normalized count txt.gz file. So on website, this found as a supplementary dataset. No, scroll down more. Solution, manually download raw count data. You can directly download this file by clicking on this website. So if I right click, open in web, it will show me a website. So here is dataset. So here we need to find, here is supplementary file, GEO supplementary raw data. It's showing look for a file, raw count data are similar. Download it and read it into R like this. Now download this file. I want to download this file. Here is the download button. You can download this file. Right click and save in working directory. It's showing me 50 minutes left. So as it is a big data, 2.4 GB data set. So it may take time. Okay, after downloading, you can import this file like this. So please all participants download this file by manually by using this step, using these steps. I am sending in group. So this is showing me again 50 minutes. So please all participants start its downloading and type done within Zoom chat. I have started downloading, so I'm typing here downloading. Okay. Now again write a message for more confirmation. Can I download it into R? Yes, you can automatically download the supplementary raw count file directly into R as long as it's publicly available as TXT, CSV, or TSV file. So step locate the GEO supplementary. Step download by supplementary file in R. Download it into your R session and read the raw count data. So here are the scripts. First script copy, open R, paste here, run, set GEO ID, get the GEO file info, list download files. No, second step, extract and read the count file. Copy, here is the second step. I need to wait until this red dot disappear. So it also may take time because it's a 2 point something GB file. Yes, it may also take time. Okay. Now you please also run the script. But it's showing me error, failed to download raw data. I need to run it again. So it's showing me error. This function can struggle with the large file or specific server configurations. Given that the supplementary file is approximately 2.4 GB in size, it's advisable to download it manually using the more robust method. So it's giving us a suggestion because it's a big file. So don't download directly it from R. You can try directly from website instead of writing a script because it's a big file. No, we can also use a small size files if you write a message. I need small size file for sample info and count matrix in R from GEO. So now it will suggest us the file which have less size, which is small in size, so that we can download it easily. That is showing me if you are seeking a small size human RNA-seq data from GEO that include both count matrix and sample info. I recommended using GSE 152641. This data comprise 86 samples and is suitable for testing pipeline or conducting small scale analysis. Overview of this data, peripheral blood RNA-seq of COVID-19 patients and healthy controls. Homo sapien, so it's a small size file. So I need to run this file as a sample, copy, open R, paste here, and try to run. First, I need to run these packages, gene ID, download supplementary file. I think I need to copy again, supplementary, yes. Okay. Now run this line supplementary file, identify and read the count matrix file, read the count matrix, head, and wait until this red dot disappears. Now the file name is count data, but again count data have 0 variables. Observations are available, but there is no variable. As it's shown in screen number 4, Head. Yes, it's showing me data frame with 0 column and 6 rows. Again, we need to provide copy or ensembles. And also check downloading process. In downloading, in my case, it's showing me again 2 hours, 2 hours left. It's showing you, it's appeared that the count matrix file you load is empty, which might be due to incorrect file selection of or formatting issues. So there is another method, writing Python. So if you write a message to ChatGPT run Python script and will give you the file in count matrix and sample info. So here is the sample name. Here is the sample ID. Copy, open new chat, and paste here and write a message. I need count data and sample info for this sample ID in R. Sorry, sample ID. Can you get its data by Python script and give me in CSV file, downloadable CSV file, and ask a question and send message to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will write a Python script for you in ChatGPT and then give you the data of this sample. The GEO database comprises RNA-seq data from 86 whole blood samples, including 62 from COVID-19 patient and 24 from healthy control. While raw sequencing data is not publicly available due to consent restrictions, while the raw sequencing dataset is not publicly available due to consent restrictions, processed count data and sample metadata can be assessed and compiled using Python. So raw data is not available, but processed data is available. Okay, you can assess by directly on this website, or you can write this Panda script, but ChatGPT have written a Panda script, and once you run the script, can you run and download and give in CSV file. So we can download processed count matrix and processed metadata file instead of raw data. I understand your request for the count data and sample information for GEO dataset. However, as an AI developed by OpenAI, I don't have the capability to execute code or download files directly. Nonetheless, I can guide you through the process of, uh, here is the Python script. Yes, can you write R script for this? Sure. Here is a complete R script to download the count matrix and sample metadata from GEO and save the CSV files. Okay, again, if it does not work and gives you proper file, then we need to follow manual formula or manual instructions by using GEO website. Okay, try last, otherwise we need to download directly from website. Copy this full R script. It's showing one file is found. I need to clean screen number 3 again. Here is gene ID file. Sample info. But again, count data showing 0. So again, write a message. Results again showing 0 observations in count data. The raw file showing me 1 or left, 1 or 2 are left. So you all also try again for R script. Maybe it work. Otherwise, you need to download manually from GEO website. Thank you for update. If you are getting 0 observation in the count matrix and return no an empty or 0 raw data frame, it likely means that the data retrieved via GEO is not a raw count data, which is common for GEO series that only includes normalized or log transform data, are referred to the raw FASTQ files not included in the matrix. So let's verify that provides the process data available directly via GeoQuery does not contain raw count values. Raw count for this dataset are likely in supplementary files are only available through SRA sequence read archive as a FASTQ or BEM files. So the matrix files may contain log2 transformed TPM or FPKM values instead of raw data. So updated solutions. To get actual raw count data, use the get GEO supply files function to fetch the supplemented tar files, then manually extract and read the count data. So try this method again. So copy, open R. Hopefully this will work. GeoQuery, gene ID. Next, check what files were downloaded. Next, next, extract the tar files, but it's showing me error. Invalid tar files argument. I need to send this message to ChatGPT. And again run. No, Madam Shafak, today is not last day of this batch until we fix this issue. Don't worry. This error suggests that the tar files path you are passing to untar is not a valid. Most likely, the list.files functions did not find the correct tar files. Let's troubleshoot this step by step. Confirm the supplementary folder was created. Copy. I need to confirm all these steps again. Run. Yes, it's showing me file name is created. I need to give this to ChatGPT. It's showing me yes, file is available. If nothing show, it means tar files was not downloaded in the case. Yes, we have passed this step. Next. Now run next line. Copy, paste here and run. It's working. Assign the full path to tar files correctly. Copy, paste here and run. It's showing me zero character. But here output should like this. My output is showing character 0. So I need to provide these things to ChatGPT again because our output is not same. Here is another script. Copy, open R. Yes, no, we get a correct count data. You can check in my screen number 3, 86 observations, 86 variables with count data file. And here is the count data but it's for only count data. Okay. Now I am sending this file with you. Please also try this code. It's working. Okay, please now do practice and also try to download manually. I have started downloading, but it's showing me 60 minutes or 1 hour. So we need to wait. You also download files manually, download and do practice. I am sending this script in WhatsApp group. You can copy